Hey guys, before the video starts, I would just like to apologize that it is filmed in horizontal instead of landscape. We pre-recorded all these videos, so we didn't know, but in the future they will be in the right way. So let's get on to the video.
Hey y'all, welcome back to You've Got Dolls. It's Victoria. Today I'm showing, I'm going to unbox the new 100th birthday kit, and I have my original kit. Original to me, I actually bought her used, so I'm not exactly, I think she's I don't know what year she is. I don't know. I'm just going to leave it at that. I got her at a yard sale for $20 in 2017, I believe. So she's very special to me. I love her very much. I got Kit and Ruthie at the same time. Okay, we got the box open. we got Kit, and we also got Jeni's ice cream tote. Let's open her and see what she looks like. Kit is my favorite. I was debating, of course, none of us need two kits, but I just felt like I would really regret it if I didn't purchase her as her special birthday edition. Well, let's look at these two. I don't have her out of the box yet, but I know that there's a little bit of a difference between these two. I think the skin tone is just a little different, but she looks pretty good. Pretty pleased. I don't see any flaws with her. She comes in her this lavender sweater outfit, the original skirt. Shoes are so white. I think the original shoes were more of a tan color. But yeah, there she is. Don't worry, girl. She will never take your place, but she's special too. We love them both. And we got her accessories. Okay, let me take Kit out of her box and see how she looks. Let's see, I'm just gonna snip these. She's got one around her waist. You're free, Kit. Okay. Here she is. Actually, I'm just going to take this off. Don't want her to fall. Bear with me for a second while we get her camera ready. All right, let's get this hairnet off of her. Okay, figured out I have to take the beret off first, thanks to my daughter who figured that out. All right, nothing like hairnet hair. There she is. Decided to go ahead and take her out of her box. Said I wasn't sure, but she needs to be free. All right, what do we think? Let's look at these two. Very similar. I think, do you think that her face is a little slimmer? This one, the new one? Or is it just the way her hair is, maybe? She might have a little rounder face. And definitely a little difference in the skin tone. Don't you think? Oh my gosh, so cute. This is my first out-of-the-box kit ever. So that's pretty exciting, actually. I'm so glad it's for her 100th birthday. My first kit obviously will always have a special place in my heart. But but especially since I got Kit and Ruthie together. Okay, here she is. Here's her coin, the new birthday kit with her goodies. Welcome to the doll house. First ever out of the box kit. Very exciting. All right, let's look at this cute Jeni's ice cream set. We do not have, I'm in Arkansas, we do not have a Jeni's ice cream here. So I've never got to eat it. Maybe next time we go to Dallas. There was one in Chicago, but we just had too much food. We didn't go to get ice cream. Okay. Open this up and we have, this is really heavy. How cute is that? Kit can just let that be her tote. Okay, we got the ice cream packages open. Wow, y'all, they smell amazing. How cute are these? These are really heavy too. What a great set this is for Jeni's ice cream. And a cute little, this reminds me of the Baskin Robbins pink spoon. I guess Jeni's probably has their own version, but they smell amazing. I think this one's my favorite. As far the gooey butter cake smells so good. But that's our haul for today. So there they are, the new kit, my original kit, and some Jeni's ice cream. So thank you guys for tuning in.